In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up form on Mailchimp. First, go ahead and log in to your Mailchimp account. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the Create button, usually located near the top of the screen. Click that to start a new project. This is where you'll tell Mailchimp that you want to build a sign-up form rather than an email campaign or something else. Next, you'll choose the type of sign-up form you want. Select Sign-up Form, and Mailchimp will give you a few options. A sign-up landing page is a dedicated web page hosted by Mailchimp. This is great if you don't have a website yet or you want a focused page just for collecting subscribers. A pop-up form shows up on top of the content on your existing website and is useful for grabbing attention while people are already browsing your pages. An embedded form is a block of code you paste directly into your site's HTML, so the form appears as part of your page layout. After you've picked the type, you'll need to select the audience, sometimes called the contact list. This tells Mailchimp where to store the people who fill out your form. Choose the audience that matches the group you want to grow. If you only have one audience, just confirm that it's selected. Now it's time to design and customize the form. Mailchimp uses a drag-and-drop builder, which makes it easy to rearrange fields. You can add or remove fields like email, first name, last name, or even birthday, depending on what information you actually need. Try to keep it as simple as possible so people are more likely to complete it. Edit the text on the page, including your headline, description, and button label. For example, you might change the button to say, "Sign up" or "Join the list." You can also customize the success message that appears after someone submits the form, thanking them or letting them know what to expect next. Don't forget to adjust the design. Choose background colors, fonts, and button styles that match your brand. If you're using a pop-up form, you can also set targeting rules, like which pages it appears on, how long to wait before showing it, and whether it should show only once per visitor. You can even mention any offers like a discount or free download to encourage signups. When your form looks the way you want, you'll need to get the code or link so you can use it. For embedded forms, click the option to copy the code, then paste that snippet into your website's HTML where you want the form to appear. For landing pages, Mailchimp will generate a URL. Copy that link and share it on your social media, in emails, or add it to your website menu. For pop-up forms, follow the integration steps Mailchimp provides to connect it to your platform, such as Shopify or WordPress. This usually involves installing a small piece of code or an app so the pop-up can appear on your site. Finally, when everything is set, click Save and Publish. This step makes your form live and ready to collect new subscribers. Take a moment to test it yourself. Open the link or visit your site, fill out the form, and confirm that your information shows up correctly in your Mailchimp audience. Once that's working, you're all set with a fully functional sign-up form on Mailchimp.